Hey, what's up guys, it's Heroek back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the wireless Lavalier microphone. Very small packaging, I mean literally fits in the palm of my hand, or basically is the size of my palm. And this should have two microphones inside, so we'll see if that actually happens because it's a small package, but it should have to. Taking a look at the box, we have this design on the front, some details about it on the side. It's for your iPhone, two of them. They do have another version that's for USB Type-C, but I did not get that one. You can see some of the features here on the back, and they talk about a couple of kinds of content that you can use this microphone with. And I do have some ideas on how to use these mics for content, so stay tuned. But anyways, opening up the actual package, there's this little tab here. And so I think you're meant to pull this tab, but I'll just push it out because it slides out from the sleeve here.
1 minute later.
That was harder than I expected to do one-handed. So with both hands, I'm just gonna take it out. This is what we have, probably covering, there we are, the two microphones. Taking it out, we have a USB wire here instead of USB-C. I believe this is to plug into the phone. Two clips so that you can attach the mics to something like a shirt. And the two mics themselves, which have these big furry tips, but can also go pretty normal size with a little bit less puff. And the last thing we have is a user manual and some instructions. Now, as a quick recap, this is everything we got. So this was all the packaging. We got the wires and the clips and such. We have the two mics and the two other tips, which are quite compressed and messed up a bit, which is pretty annoying, but I only paid about $12 for this whole thing. So, I mean, I guess you get what you pay for. And the user manual and instructions. I've gone through the instructions and everything like that to set it up. We have this little green light on, which should mean it's working, but I'm taking this video kind of as like a test to see if it works. And so, excuse me, because this next part is going to be a little weird. So I'm just going to hold it here and bring it farther and farther away while trying to talk at basically the same volume to see if this is the microphone or if it's still just from my stationary phone. I just watched that last video back and it seems like it worked. Here is me trying to use the clip that they attached. It's a little loose and like hangs down and the mic's kind of sideways, but I mean, it works, I guess. Again, get what you pay for with $12. The one thing I wish is that, so this is the clip that's on it, but I can't twist it at all. I kind of wish the mic and the clip were faced the same way so I could clip it in like this rather than sideways. Now I do actually have to go because I'm filming some other cool content for you guys. Not using these, but you know, now it's an option for the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped you find a cool wireless portable microphone for your content. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out my clothing line, Quest Clothing, in the description because that's the best way to support me across all my channels. And I will see you all in the next one.